It's Showtime host na si Sian Dominguez, binastos at pinagtangkaan pang pagsamantalahan. Humihingi ngayon ng panalangin ang ama ng It's Showtime host na si Sian Dominguez para sa traumang naranasan ng kanyang anak matapos itong pagtangka ang pagsamantalahan ng isang lalaki na nagngangalang si Shervey Torno. Sa post ng ama ni Sian na si Jong Florendo sa kanyang official Facebook account, sinundan di umano ng suspect si Sian sa condo unit niya at sa pilitang pumasok doon. At pinagtangka ang halikan at pagsamantalahan ang TV host. Tonight my family were bothered to what happened to my daughter Sian Dominguez. She was attemptedly by this guy named Shervey Torno, a gay bar dancer and performer. Short story is the suspect followed my daughter to her condo, forcibly preventing the door to be closed and held her waist. Good thing that my daughter is strong enough to resist and the suspect ran. My daughter took a video footage of him as he's escaping. Shervey Ronnie Gray ran along EDSA trying to escape, but was captured by the OIC Police District 10 and facing serious charges. Please pray with us for my daughter, as she is under trauma of the said incident. Samantala agad na nag-react ang madlang people sa nangyari na ito kay Sian. Anila ay mabuti na lang at nagawang makalaban ni Sian sa lalaki, at agad itong nakatakbo. Sa kabilang banda ay nahuli na ang naturang lalaki, matapos na makuha ng video ang pagtakas nito. Sa ngayon ay nasa kustodiya na ng pulisya ang nasabing lalaki. Wala pa namang reaksyon ang Showtime fam hinggil sa nangyari na ito kay Sian.